Hello, my name is Michael McDavid, and I'm here on behalf of the National Air Duct Cleaners Association. And we're excited to be here at the GBAC conference discussing all the potential pathogens floating through the air and how that affects each and every one of us and how we're going to save the world from the next pandemic together as a team. So I think, indoor air quality is something that's going to continue to evolve, and it's always going to change. We're learning more about it, so I think it's only going to enhance the future of our health and bring us all into a more pleasant world together, I suppose. So right now I think I recommend a team approach to these type of scenarios because we all have our own disciplines, and when we come together in one of these group settings like this, we really challenge each other and come up with new ideas based on what somebody else has suggested. So I think immediately we need to find some teams, go after the big ticket items first and work our way down from there, but I think it's collaboration is the answer.